Stanley, the deceased, ordered a ride for his girlfriend from Ablikumajoma to Kowa's estate near Kuntunse at around 3 a.m. but it turned fatal when the lovebirds disagreed with the driver over the fare.
He slapped Stanley, gun to hit Stanley's back. Before say Jodibo Niquenchi, Stanley Nukuntuni. So that time Stanley made up his mind, say, oh, baby, top no, not top no, I can't win in same. Stanley wants the top to remove some of the quiet journey. So if the man is going to shoot him, Quebec can cheer or something. So when Stanley went down, when the man tried to make Stanley go down, Stanley Kuntuni, then Oditono, and boss Stanley, ni quench, ni THE. I don't know how to say it in English. Ni THE. Then
Abusiamu akwaba e de back to my news restaurant as any daily count me a share subscribe my channel we na me adomane so se na be upload bi bia nsa ebetimi aka wa wire dan so me da sinyame inshallah abusia be na wotwetwe mana se na wotwe yase ya na video bi eba wonte a twese police ni a ne din Ede Smith Jachi a oye osan ye Uber driver e ka ne police adwuma na sada ne de na wankwa adwuma e no tino de ne car na ye adwuma se Uber driver na abrante bi a ne din e beto dwa Stanley order ride ne de ma ne girl free Ablikuma eba besra no wo kutunse na nchemu ne hye se omo ba bedru ye na afi price no sign from 60 cedis ekosi 200 cedis eno na entiase amma wo police ne Smith no entem ene abrante Stanley ne entem a ma police ne no ekotwe to fi ne kam e de bo abrante na okun no efi atatifa sase asemi ebeto odwa no IGP dampare asoto ye nti otu anamo ma police for ensakoka omunya police ne awudi sa enyambra asem na me no ka say de o twere aban kokomu a ye di na asem asem no kra ekoso mo ye ehwehwemu na asemi beto odwa no ye nti se aboba wa no ka abrante ne ho ababekasa na se ebusua no so ababekasa na GH1 akwa ebusua no fie e de ne ekoso e wo ebusua fie ho ne ababa wa na obabesra ne plan Stanley no animu asem ababetodwa
and cry. Talk and cry. Talk and cry.
A mother's cry could be heard as 1 inch closer to this house. The reason for her tears, her 24-year-old son, who was due to further his education abroad, has been shot dead. He was shot over a fair disagreement with a ride-hailing driver, Smith Jachi. Stanley, the deceased, ordered a ride for his girlfriend from Ablikumajoma to Kowa's estate near Kuntunse at around 3 a.m. but it turned fatal when the lovebirds disagreed with the driver over the fare.
he slapped Stanley, gun to hit Stanley's back. Before say Jodibo Niquenchi, Stanley Nukuntuni. So that time Stanley made up his mind, say, oh, baby, top no, not top no, I can't win in same. Stanley wants the top to remove some of the quiet journey. So if the man is going to shoot him, Quebec can cheer or something. So when Stanley went down, when the man tried to make Stanley go down, Stanley Kuntuni, then Oditono, and boss Stanley, ni quench, ni THE. I don't know how to say it in English. Ni THE. Then SY. So I don't know push me feeling before he did that. If not, maybe he can come inside. So then I ran. And when he shoots, then he ran to his car. Then he came back and was like, no, put it back. So that time, I remember pushing the point. So I also ran from that side to come and fall on Stanley. I was like, Stanley, babe, and I saw say, stone na kuma ebo. And Stanley held my hand. So then I told them, I said, I told him, say, yeah, na kuma ebo, driver, my family near nearest hospital. So I was parking can all that one up, Stanley I saw me say. I was parking can, it was like, me free me say, me the mean time, said I'm slow, na kuma ebo.
Contrary to commentary on social media that there was an altercation between the deceased and the suspect before the shooting, Owusua, the girlfriend of the deceased, disclosed nothing of that nature happened.
Stanley did not do anything that she would say he's not going to pay the. He was like, "What are you and the trip? Let me who prize me." But last two now he was saying, he said, "Drive 1 year, the person you get on the and stuff." So Stanley didn't say anything. That shows that the man should even pull up a gun. I don't know. Stanley didn't say anything that you. So I don't know. I don't know why the man even shot him in the first place. I don't know. Stanley was begging. Stanley was begging, meaning he has admitted his fault. So no one can say he was talking on top of his voice. He was begging.
The lady even sent 200 cedis from her phone to pay the Uber driver before they were talking on a reduction of the 100 cedis. Because the driver wasn't agreeing to reduce it and insisted to take the extra 100 cedis, the lady called the boyfriend, and the boyfriend sent 65 cedis from his phone to the Uber driver again. So there was still a change of 35 cedis to be paid. The Uber driver insisted to take it. So other witnesses over there, when they saw the way the whole thing was going, there were about 1 or 2 witnesses around. They also intervened that, fine, then if that's the case, let's pay the remaining 35. The Uber driver insisted that the boy has showed disrespect to him, so he's going to teach him a lesson. So he held the boy's neck.
The distraught family was, however, unaware of the murder of their son until they saw it on social media. Delali Wisdom speaks for the family.
It was on Sunday, early morning. We all woke up from bed and we never knew anything happened. So I took my phone in the morning and I was just scrolling through my phone. Then I saw a news flashed on someone's TikTok. So I just went through and I saw a body lying down in a pool of blood. Quickly I called one of my uncles and asked the uncle I called, that what is actually happening. I've seen something. And the uncle just told me he doesn't know. I said I forwarded the picture to him before. He also called other uncles and told me that, yeah, that is the news he's also receiving. It went viral. There were other people who, they sent the videos across, so bloggers were putting it on other social media handles. So that was where some of the families also got to know. So the families were coming. So they told me they also just saw the incident. So they are now coming to the family house. So quickly, I think the mom was in the house, and the mom and one uncle went to the scene to find out whether actually what they are hearing is true. So upon reaching there, before they realized that the body which was there is actually Stanley Ahaji's body. He was asked whether there was any provocation. Then he concluded that it was done without any provocation. So the act was done without any provocation. There wasn't anything like there was argument. There wasn't anything like they were battling. There wasn't any fight. This is a gentleman who cannot even kill a fowl. So there wasn't any fight. Nothing happened. He just pulled the trigger. The gentleman in question wasn't holding anything for you to say that he's attacking you before you come for self-defense. So that is what happened.
Who was Stanley? How was he like?
Well, Stanley is my cousin, and he's a nice gentleman. He's cool, respectful, and like I said before, you asked me to speak, I was saying that he's someone who cannot even kill a fowl. He is very quiet, and everyone who knows him will attest to that. That he doesn't like trouble. He doesn't want to even argue. So even though we are humans and there may be disagreements to issues, he is someone who is also quick to apologize.
Meanwhile, the suspect, Sh0t, after the shooting, surrendered himself to the police at Amasaman. He was arraigned at the Adabraka District Court, but due to a confusion as to which court to hear his case, he was sent back to police cells. The wife of the suspect and his infant were in court to witness the case.
What's happening now? We are not understanding the whole thing. But at the end of the day, we are fighting for justice. Because the guy didn't do him anything. even if you have done him something, there is law in this country. That law is governing all of us. So nobody has the power in his hands to remove a gun and shoot somebody. If the person
nse abusuan hwe se na efie ho esitie na se na areho ahye abusuan so ne na omosre IGP dan parese omosre omo a onhwe se ode emra ebeye adwuma na boy na wafimu ya Stanley no omanya justice e de amalefi se emra bia ne ho emakwan se empo ye police ni na so bia wade o se utwitu na ode gini panen kwa efiri ni se maye hu se ne won so oje nsemi e wo comment section ho aha e too much you subscribe my page we se wonya ya na mi adoma na se na be ya upload bia onsa ebetimi akawa wa yenso medasa Facebook onso too much gh macro